Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, pullback on the day. Didn't destroy the chart or anything like that. Yeah, it'd be great if prices can just go straight up, but that's just not the reality of the market. So pullback today, but assuming that you care about the bigger picture point of view, everything is still perfectly fine. And what do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, for example, and you bought right there, or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well, then from that angle, yeah, the chart looks really bad for you. But again, assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, it's all perfectly fine. And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just to better illustrate this point, let's say that the price actually comes back down here to that 40-cent mark. I mean, what would you still have in that case? So price comes back down here to 40, behaves in that manner before we're going to sway back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture point of view, you would still have a set of lows here. You would have lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, from the big picture point of view, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress, and again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as that 40-cent mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, if there is any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, public enemy number one still very clearly remains right up there at that 52-cent mark. And I'm not going to count the number of times, but the price has definitely been up there a multitude of times and never quite been able to get any sort of, or I should really say maintain any sort of upwards momentum. But as of right now, top priority is not necessarily breaking the 52-cent mark. It's more so just trying to consolidate out here and then making a movement back up to that area there. But keep a close eye on 40 cents. That'll be an important area moving forward. So let's see how this one continues to play out on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.